a 10-watt USB wall charger for recharging smartphones, tablets and more. A single port, 2.1 amp for rapid charging and built-in device detection. An energy-efficient and safe design, including an integrated automatic shutoff protection. A high-density energy device that is lightweight, compact, and portable. The NOCO 10W USB wall charger is designed to rapidly recharge your favorite USB devices, like smartphones and tablets, plus NOCO Genius Boost ultra-safe lithium jump starters. It features a single port rated at 2.1 amps with built-in device detection. Top reviews from the United States. Quality and inexpensive. I use this as an alternative to rechargeable speakers that require 10W, about half the price of the OEM speaker brand. Total awesomeness. These guys are great. I have purchased mostly all the item from NOCO for my GB70. I have the carrying case, which is very handy to protect my GB70, and the switching charger fit in one of the pockets specially designed their products. NB. The charger comes with all the cables for all around the world. Too bad they don't supply the required plane ticket so I can check how good their product are.